In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in Ticketmaster. This quick walkthrough will help you get into your account smoothly and securely using a web browser, whether you're on a computer or a phone. First, open your preferred web browser. Any modern browser will do. In the search bar at the top, type Ticketmaster and hit enter. Searching is a convenient way to get there if you don't have the site bookmarked. If you plan to use Ticketmaster often, consider bookmarking it later so you can return with one click. From the search results, click the correct Ticketmaster link. You want the official site, which should display the Ticketmaster name clearly and use a secure connection. Look for a web address that matches your region's official Ticketmaster domain and includes the padlock icon in the address bar. Avoid ads or sponsored results that look similar but don't match the official domain. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner of the page and click the Sign In button. On some smaller screens, you may need to open the main menu icon first to find Sign In. If the page opens a pop-up or slides a panel in from the side, that's normal. Just stay focused on the Sign In area. Next, type your registered email address into the email field and select Continue. Enter the same email you used when creating your Ticketmaster account. Take a moment to double-check for typos, missing characters, or extra spaces before and after your email. If the site doesn't recognize the email, it's usually a sign there's a small typo, so try again carefully. After that, enter your secure account password and click Sign In. Make sure Caps Lock isn't on and that you're using the exact password associated with this account. If you use a password manager, let it fill in your saved credentials to prevent mistakes. If the password isn't accepted, use the reset option provided on the sign-in screen to create a new one, then return to this page and try again. For security, never share your password and only sign in on devices and networks you trust. That's it. Once you're signed in, you should see your account options and be ready to manage tickets, view upcoming events, or handle orders. If anything looks off, refresh the page and confirm you're on the official site. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to sign in to Ticketmaster with confidence.